1974.
Very harrowing, bone-chilling music.
They've really come so close to making it, and they blew it.
Columbia Records, our big break, said we were the most difficult band to work with and walked out. From an artistic standpoint, bravo. On the other hand, everyone that's been with you has walked away over the years or fled in terror. I haven't talked to Bobby in over 20 years.
Bobby Liebling is just like this caveman found frozen.
Everybody say, move him out of your house.
There's Faye Newtons, aren't you?
He keeps giving me these rosy scenarios. What I want for Bobby, just for him to be happy.
They're afraid of one of them to die.
It was the perfect time for Pentagram to be rediscovered. They have unlimited number of unreleased recordings from the 1970s.
It's pain and it's empowerment, purely from the heart.
I was obsessed with this band.
It literally changed my life.
I really think that you guys can come back together and do a great record.
I've been doing drugs 44 years. I've been addicted to heroin for 39. You know what I want to do? I want to live.
There's certain personal things that's keeping him from going all the way.
Help me. I'm in prison again.
He's been close to death ever since I've known him. It's putting gray in my beard.
What do you want me to do? Conquer the world overnight?
Bobby, you know what? You got one more shot to really make another big mark, and that's what I really want to help.
Yeah, don't look, lady, I won't be around. I ain't the kind for a second chance. Yeah, I could wander down the alley for a two-bit tramp, but I can't take a hooker's romance.
Bobby made that deal with the devil. He sold his soul, and he's fighting like hell to steal it back.
I've gone beyond the deposit. I've been spending my own money on this. I'll do whatever it takes to make these shows happen. See the band take the stage. The guy next to me is biting his lip. But there's something missing. Where's Bobby? He can't back out.
I'm sick of hearing people say it's too late. It's never too late.
It's weird, isn't it? They're all my moms.